Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do backspin breakdance. First, always begin with a proper warm-up, paying special attention to your back, shoulders, and legs to ensure good flexibility. Next, practice the crescent kick while lying on the ground. This helps you understand how to generate the initial momentum using your legs. Remember to wear smooth, low-friction clothing to help you spin more easily. To initiate the backspin, combine a powerful leg kick with a smooth roll over your shoulder, using your kicking leg's momentum. It is crucial to land and spin on your upper back, specifically between your shoulder blades, to avoid injury and maximize spin. As you roll, extend your arms straight out to the sides. This helps distribute your body weight evenly and aids in maintaining balance. For maximum speed and control, tuck your legs tightly towards your body once you are spinning. This reduces your surface area, allowing you to spin much faster due to angular momentum. Focus on maintaining a tight, symmetrical form and a balanced posture. You can also use your arms to gently push off the ground, providing additional bursts of speed and helping to sustain your spin. Consistent practice is key to mastering the backspin. Start slowly, focusing on each segment of the move before attempting full speed. Recording yourself can provide valuable insight, allowing you to critique your form and observe your progress over time. Remember to avoid common mistakes like rushing your initial kick or neglecting proper arm placement, as these can disrupt your momentum and balance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.